Okay, guys, I need 9 of you on that side, 9 of you on that side. 9 and 9, let's go. 9 on this side, 9 on this side. Huh? 9 and 9, let's go. 9 on one side, 9 on the other. Okay, so then go on this side. Stand up, what are you doing? Okay, so now what you're going to do is the person that is directly across from you, you're going to read your summary to them, they're going to read their summary to you, right? And you're going to pick one summary, just one sentence out of their objective summary that you like, and you're going to write it down underneath yours. Everybody understand what you're doing? Yes? How far away are we standing when we do this? Yeah. Okay? Everybody good? All right, you got a couple minutes. Go. Spread right straight across. Let's go. Come on, Sanders, let's go. Page 7. Ryan, go. Right there. Straight across. Mr. Rogie, are we bothering you?
No,
You want me, you sure? I can close it.
you can close it, but you're not bothering me.
I'll just pull it out.
Okay.